Hi, class. I just wanted to send a friendly reminder that on Monday we have exam number two, which is a midterm exam. Also, for week nine, there's no new math topic, so you're just basically gonna have assignments closing after the midterm. And to prepare for the midterm, I recommend going over the midterm review that is actually posted on the week eight. We did some of the problems in class, and I also added a couple of the solutions that we didn't actually get a chance to do during the meeting. So you'll see some of those there. I also recommend to go over other files that are similar, that have topics that we covered or they're review topics. There's two files on that assignment. Lastly, I recommend to go over all lecture topics, and I would say go back and review the lecture problems for quadratic equations. Then, in this order, go to week seven, review conic sections. If I add any other problem that it's not directly on the midterm, it's something that we did in class or that was covered during one of the lecture videos. So, for instance, remember that at the beginning of class, we talked about sets. Please go back and review those lectures. You may have one of the problems from there. The time of the exam is only going to be an hour, but I do recommend that you're actually looking over that midterm review and then also going back and reviewing those lectures. That's actually it. I'll see you guys Monday. And the last thing I wanted to mention is that on Monday, we're gonna meet on the same room, and you're gonna be submitting an actual PDF file. Formulas will be provided on the exam, especially for like the conic sections, or if it's a formula from a long time ago. I'll see you guys Monday. Have a great rest of the weekend.